Hello, I'm Kate Scott from katescott.co, and in today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to claim your Squarespace website on Pinterest. So the first thing you want to do is log into your Pinterest account, and you may notice here on the left hand side a big red button that says Claim Website, but if for some reason that button isn't there, just go over to the three dots in the upper right hand corner of the page and then select Settings, and then on the left hand side you want to select Claim. And right here underneath where it says claim your website is where you're going to drop the URL of the website you want to claim and then hit the claim button. Now it's going to give you an option to either claim your website by inserting an HTML tag or by uploading an HTML file. You want to select add HTML tag, and then you're going to copy this entire tag code here. And then you're going to log into your Squarespace website, and on the left hand side select Settings, scroll down and select Advanced, and then you're going to click on Code Injection. And right here, you're going to drop the code right into the header section and then hit Save. Now we're going to go back to Pinterest, and you're going to hit the Next button and then submit it for review. And then right here, you're going to see a little message that says, "Stay tuned, we're checking on your site and we'll email you in the next 24 hours. And then just hit Done, and you're all set. If you found this tutorial useful, please like and subscribe.